Look, Tom, we are in Rome.
Wow, the city is beautiful. Let's take a photo.
Good idea. Look at this shop.
Yes, it is very colorful. Where is the Colosseum?
It is straight ahead.
Great, let's go.
I can't wait. This city is so old.
Yes, look at these buildings.
This city is so old.
Yes, look at these buildings. Let's buy ice cream.
Yes, it is very hot today.
Thanks.
Perfect. Look, children are playing.
They look happy. I want to buy a postcard.
Good idea. Take one for your family. Look at the river.
The water is very clean. Look, a street musician.
He is playing the violin beautifully. Look, pigeons everywhere.
Let's feed them.
This is so fun.
They're going crazy.
More crumbs. They look fresh and tasty.
Yeah, let's get some.
Look at these fresh strawberries.
Wow, and the bananas look great too.
Let's get some. Look at this statue.
It is very old. I like these doors.
Yes, they are very beautiful.
Wow, look at these doors.
I know, the blue one is so vibrant, and the orange one is great too. Let's rest here for a moment.
Yes, my feet are tired.
Look at this church.
It is very big and old. Let's sit and drink coffee.
Yes, good idea. Look, they are dancing.
It is very fun to watch.
Look, he is painting the square.
I like his colors.
Look, Tom, the Colosseum is huge.
Wow, long time ago people watched fights here.
Yes, I want to see it.
Let's go inside.
It is very big inside.
Yes, many people came here long ago. Look at the view from here!
I can see the whole city. The arches are very strong
Yes, they are very old.
and so detailed up close.
Incredible. The Colosseum is amazing!
I love it. Let's take a photo. Look! The Forum is next.
Let's walk there. Look at these old buildings!
Wow, they are very beautiful. People worked here long ago.
Yes, it is very interesting.
Look at these big columns. They are very old and strong. Look, these statues are beautiful.
Yes, the colors are amazing. Look, many people are visiting.
Yes, it is very popular. These arches are very old.
Yes, they are amazing.
Look at those ancient columns.
Wow, is that an amphitheater?
Yes, and over there are market stalls.
Let's go!
The garden is very peaceful.
Yes, a nice place to rest.
Look at this temple.
It is very old and big.
I can see the whole forum from here.
Yes, it is very big. Let's go to the Pantheon next.
Yes, I want to see it. Rome is very beautiful.
Yes, I love the old buildings. Look, the Pantheon is not far.
Yes, let's walk there. Look at the big dome.
It is very beautiful.
Look at the Oculus. The light is incredible.
Wow, how does it not get wet?
It's designed to drain. Isn't it amazing?
Whoa, look at this place.
It's incredible. So much history.
And the light from up there.
Wow.
Wow, what a beautiful day.
It really is. I'm so glad we're here.
Me too. Let's explore. Look, the Trevi Fountain is near.
I want to see it. Wow, look at the water.
It is very beautiful. Let's throw a coin. Yes, make a wish.
I hope my wish comes true.
Me too. The fountain is amazing.
Yes, I love it here.
Let's take a photo too.
Yes, we need a memory. Look at these small shops.
They look interesting. I love this fountain.
Yes, it is very beautiful and big. Look at these statues.
They are very detailed. I want to try some gelato.
Good idea. Let's buy some. Rome is so beautiful.
Yes, I love it. Look at these flowers.
They are very colorful.
Next, we will go to Piazza Navona.
Yes, I want to see the fountains and artists. Look, Tom, the square is beautiful.
Yes, I see the fountains and people. Look at the water.
It is very clear and beautiful. Look, street artists are performing.
Yes, they are very talented. Let's eat pizza.
Yes, it looks delicious.
Here you go, enjoy. Grazie.
This pizza is very tasty.
Yes, I like it a lot. Look at this gelato shop.
Let's try some. I want this one, and I'll have that. The gelato is sweet and cold.
Yes, perfect for today. Listen to the music!
It is very nice. Look at the pigeons!
They are very friendly. I want to buy a small gift.
Good idea. Take one for your family.
This helmet is perfect.
They'll love it. This square is very lively.
Yes, people are happy here.
Look at his painting.
The colors are beautiful.
Look at the flowers near the fountain.
They are very colorful.
So beautiful.
Yeah, really nice. This coffee is fantastic.
It really is. I'm so glad we did this.
Me too. Look at this view.
It's perfect. They are playing music beautifully.
Yes, it sounds very nice. Clap your hands, feel the beat. On the street, we play for you. Let the music move your feet. Look, people are taking photos.
Yes, everyone wants memories. I love this city.
Me too. It is amazing.
Look at the small fountain here.
Yes, it is very pretty.
Let's go see more of Rome.
Yes, I want to explore. The day is ending soon.
Yes, it was a very nice day. Rome is amazing.
Yes, I love the food and old buildings.
The lights make the street beautiful.
Yes, it looks magical.
I will remember this day forever.
Me too, it was amazing. Rome is full of beauty everywhere.
Yes, every street is special. Look at the fountain one more time.
Yes, it is perfect. Our hotel is near.
Yes, let's go and rest. We had a great day.
Yes, Rome is amazing. Let's check in.
Yes, and rest a bit. Welcome. IDs and reservation, please. Look at the city from here.
The view is amazing. Good night, Rome.
Good night.